These are the woods in early spring at Spiers old school grounds near Beith in North Ayrshire. The dominant plant at the moment is Celandine, often mistaken for buttercup. Buttercup occurs later on in the year. Celandine is a much more succulent plant. That is, it can be squashed. It has a soft tissues to it. The flowers are similar, but when looked at, you can see the distinct difference between that and a buttercup. Flowers do open and close with the weather and with the light levels. Because they're a pre-vernal plant, that is, they've appeared here before the leaves are fully developed on the trees. So when the leaves do form, the light levels drop dramatically, and the celandine is unable to photosynthesize enough to stay alive. So what it has to do is to manufacture and store all the food it needs in this short time between first developing and the leaves fully forming on the trees. That's why if you dig one up, you'll find it has bulbils beneath it, which are filled with stored starch as a food supply for the plant to survive the whole of the late spring, summer and winter. So it has the energy reserves to start to grow the following spring, and the whole process starts again. So this is Celandine, Ranunculus ficaria. The buttercups, Ranunculus acris, Ranunculus repens, they will occur and flower later on in the year, not in early spring. So this woodland is entirely dominated with the celandine plant. For the sake of comparison, these are buttercup leaves taken on the same day as the celandines were filmed. The leaf shape is quite different. It's divided up. There's no sign of flowers, and the leaves don't have that shiny appearance that's so typical of the celandine. So these are buttercups.